This video, I will be showing you how to backup WhatsApp chat on Android 2024. For that, the process is very simple and easy, and all you have to do is to follow this particular video till the end to get to know about how you can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is to simply go to the Play Store and search WhatsApp. Once you have done that, you have to check that if the application is up to date to the latest version. So if it isn't, make sure you update the application. So once you have checked that, what you have to do is go back to your WhatsApp application and hit the three dots on the top right corner. And here, all you have to do is to go to the settings. In the setting, make sure that you go ahead and see that you find an option which says backup. So what you have to do is to go to the chat option, and in the chat option what you have to do is to go to the chat backup. So in here you have to provide an account for the WhatsApp so that the WhatsApp can upload your and backup your chat on that particular Gmail account. So for example, I have provided my account, and the WhatsApp will back up all the data in that particular drive. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.